Welcome back to Oboe Lesson 2 with me, Smooth Boy Ezra. Today, we will be focusing on some basic techniques to help you produce a clear and beautiful sound on the oboe. Proper embouchure. The embouchure is the way you shape your mouth around the reed to produce sound. To create a clear sound, make sure your lips are firm but not too tight around the reed. Your top teeth should lightly rest on the top of the reed, and your bottom lip should be slightly rolled in. Experiment with different lip positions to find what works best for you. Breath support. Good breath support is essential for producing a strong and clear sound on the oboe. Take a deep breath from your diaphragm before playing, and use your abdominal muscles to control the flow of air as you play. Make sure to take quick, short breaths between phrases to maintain a steady sound. Proper hand position. Your hands should be relaxed and curved when holding the oboe. Keep your fingers close to the keys and use the pads of your fingers to press down on the keys, rather than the tips. This will help you play more smoothly and efficiently. Articulation. Articulation refers to how you start and end each note. To produce a clear sound, use your tongue to lightly touch the reed at the beginning of each note. Practice tongue exercises to improve your articulation and make your playing more precise. Tone production. Experiment with different air speeds and pressures to find the right balance for producing a clear and beautiful tone on the oboe. Focus on playing with a relaxed and open throat to allow the air to flow freely through the instrument. Remember, practice makes perfect. Take your time to work on these techniques and don't get discouraged if it takes some time to master them. With dedication and practice, you will be able to produce a clear and beautiful sound on the oboe. Yeah, hell yeah. Stay tuned for more oboe lessons with Smooth Boy Ezra.